been slaving, finally got it poppin' in the city where I came from. Not a lot of options, girl, I'm running out of patience. Ain't no point in stopping, I'm the one they've been waiting on. You know I've been slaving, finally got it poppin' in the city where I came from. Not a lot of options, but I'm running out of patience. Ain't no point in stopping, I'm the one they've been waiting on. Yeah. When it's doing what you gotta do too much, when it's going after what you want too far, why'd I have to lose you to get another win? Why'd you turn your back on me? I thought that we were friends. Two sides to a story, yeah, it all depends on the angle and the filter put up on the lens. Remember when you said you were done playing rider? Haven't heard a word from you now that we expired. Yeah. Haven't heard a word from you now that we expired. Yeah. Haven't heard a word from you now that we. You know I've been slaving, finally got it poppin' in the city where I came from. Not a lot of options, girl, I'm running out of patience. Ain't no point in stopping, I'm the one they've been waiting on. You know I've been slaving, finally got it poppin' in the city where I came from. Not a lot of options, girl, I'm running out of patience. Ain't no point in stopping, I'm the one they've been waiting on. When they're telling you the truth, turn to I don't trust you. When did I'm just doing me, turn to fuck you. Where did we go wrong, tell me what is this about? Why'd you have to take it there, I'm trying to talk it out. Maybe it ain't nothing if you wanna work it out. If it's over, say it done, trying to figure out. Next thing you said, you were done playing rider. Haven't heard a word from her now that we expired. Yeah. Haven't heard a word from you now that we expired. Haven't heard a word from you now that we. You know I've been slaving, finally got it poppin' in the city where I came from. Not a lot of options, girl, I'm running out of patience. Ain't no point in stopping, I'm the one they've been waiting on. You know I've been slaving, finally got it poppin' in the city where I came from. Not a lot of options, girl, I'm running out of patience. Ain't no point in stopping, I'm the one they've been waiting on.